Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious sorbet from scratch. Sorbet is a wonderfully refreshing frozen treat, perfect for any occasion. It's surprisingly simple to create, often requiring just 3 core ingredients: your chosen fruit, some sugar, and a bit of water. The magic truly happens when you get the balance right, especially the ratio of sugar to liquid. This ensures your sorbet has that perfect, scoopable texture without becoming too icy. Let's dive into the steps to master this delightful dessert. The foundation of any great sorbet is, of course, the fruit. For the most vibrant flavor, always select fruit that is perfectly ripe and in season. You can use either fresh or frozen fruit, just be sure to puree it thoroughly until it's incredibly smooth. For an extra silky texture, a professional trick is to pass your fruit puree through a fine mesh sieve. This removes any small seeds or fibrous bits, ensuring every spoonful is wonderfully smooth on your palate. This step truly elevates your homemade sorbet. Next, we'll prepare the simple syrup, which is crucial for both sweetness and texture. To make it, simply combine equal parts sugar and water in a saucepan. Gently heat this mixture, stirring occasionally until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. You don't want to boil it vigorously, just warm it enough to dissolve the sugar. Once dissolved, it's vital to let this simple syrup cool down entirely before you combine it with your prepared fruit puree. This prevents the fruit from cooking and preserves its fresh flavor. Now for the exciting part, combining and churning. Once your simple syrup is completely cool, mix it thoroughly with your fruit puree. Then, pour this delightful mixture into your ice cream maker. Follow your machine's specific instructions for churning, which usually takes about 20 to 30 minutes. After churning, the sorbet will be soft serve consistency. Transfer it to an airtight container and freeze it for at least 4 hours, or until it reaches a firm, scoopable texture. Enjoy your homemade, refreshing sorbet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.